I just arrived to Art Motors garage, so today is the day that we pull apart the engine of the Shelby and we see what's wrong with the car. So hopefully nothing major. So for now let's park the car and find Jelko. Lega. Ne.
A ne pisa fanti čakajo tle jebote.
Jaz sem rekel ob 3.
Pa gled koliko je ura?
Ja, do 6.
Ja no.
Alright, so first update. We pulled up the engine and while draining out the oil out of the engine, we found metal shavings in the oil. That is why I told the guys, you know, don't tear apart the engine yet. Let me talk to Ford and see if they would be willing to replace the engine, or we send them this engine, or, you know, let's just explore our options and not be too fast into disassembling the whole engine. And I just received the news from Ford 2 days ago that the plan is to tear apart the engine, fix everything that's broken, and then we will work from there. So that is why the engine has been on hold. You will see the disassembling in the next video, and hopefully we'll be able to diagnose what went wrong and you know, what's actually broken inside of the engine. Okay, so that is it for this video. I want to keep it short because it's nothing major, but for the next video we will have, I think, something to see. Alright, see you in the next one. Ciao!